Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to get students familiar with Screencast-O-Matic. This is the tool that I'm using to make this video, for example, and that I recommend for students when it comes to making videos you will need to make for this course. First things first, I'm at screencastomatic.com. This is actually the homepage for the website. If you search something like screen recorder, or if you want to put in the full name, Screencast-O-Matic, you can find it that way through Google very easily, one of the first results that comes up. It is completely free, somewhat lightweight, easy to download, works for all different operating systems. Now, what you will need to do is click on this Launch Free Recorder, and there might be another step, another orange button for you to press after that. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate this because if I click this button, nothing will happen. This is the software I'm using right now to record this video. Whenever it becomes time, you have it downloaded, open the tool, what you're going to see on your screen is something like this. So you have your record button, options, and cancel. That's what we're going to do. And you can use these tools, narration to check the microphone, computer audio to check your sound. You can check the size of the screen and the speed captured and adjusted. You can tell it whether you want it to record just the screen or just the webcam or both, which is what I'm doing right now. The tool works fantastic. The only potential restriction, limitation for using the free version is that you will not be able to make videos which are longer than 15 minutes. That will not be necessary for the course, so it should be good for everything that we need it to do. Now, after you finish recording the video, you'll get to a screen which gives you a lot of options for what to do with it. The one you need to choose is Save as MP4. This will save it as a video file on your computer, which then you will upload to campus. That's going to be the next video. Stick around.